Hey guys, so today we're going over Bedmas. Bedmas helps us remember the correct order to perform operations when there are multiple operations in a single expression. So, what are operations? Well, Bedmas helps us remember each one. We have B, and that's for brackets, or parentheses. E is for exponents. D is for division. M for multiplication, and they are best friends. We'll get back to that later on. And then we have A for addition and S for subtraction, who are also best friends. Okay, so we need to be keeping that as the order that we'll be tackling operations or sums or different expressions with. So we're always going to look through a certain sum or expression, and we're going to look, is there brackets? If there is, that will be the first thing that we'll do. So looking at this following sum, we have parentheses and we have brackets. We basically have brackets inside of brackets. We have open brackets 10 plus open parentheses 4 plus 7 close parentheses plus 16 minus 2 close brackets plus 2 times 2. So Bedmas tells us we need to do the brackets or the parentheses first. So when we have brackets, what happens is we basically zoom in to all the numbers within that brackets, and then within that we need to now apply Bedmas. So now we have brackets inside of brackets, so we need to do the 4 plus 7 first, and 4 plus 7 gives us 11. So now we have open brackets 10 plus 11 plus 16 minus 2 close brackets plus 2 multiplied by 2. So now we look into the brackets and we see that we have 10 plus 11 plus 16 minus 2. We have only addition and subtraction. And remember earlier that we said they were best friends? So when we have just addition and subtraction, because they are the same power or order, we just work left to right. So we will have 10 plus 11, which will give us 21. Then we're going to go 21 plus 16, which will give us 37. Then we're going to take 37 and subtract 2, and we get 35. Now that we've completed everything within the brackets, we can remove the brackets and just use the number 35. So on the next line, we have 35 plus 2 multiplied by 2. So back up to Bedmas, and we see which is the first one we come across, and M for multiplication is the first letter that we come to. So we're going to go 2 times 2, and we're going to do that. So 2 times 2 is 4. So on our next line, we're going to have 35 plus 4. And 35 plus 4 gives us 39. Let's try something else with exponents. So with this sum, we remember that we're going to use brackets first for Bedmas. So we look in the brackets, and inside the brackets, we have a square. So we have 2 squared, or 2 to the power of 2. What 2 to the power of 2 means, or is the same as 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 gives us 4. So in the next line, we will have our brackets with 10 plus 16 minus 4, and then close brackets plus 5 times 2 divided by 10. Now we can do everything within the brackets. 10 plus 16 is 26. Minus 4 is 22. Now we have 22 plus 5 times 2 divide 10. So now that we have multiplication and division together, what we're going to do is we're going to just work that left to right. So we're going to take the multiplication and the division, we're going to do the one on the far left, which is 5 times 2. And now we have 22 plus 10 divided by 10, and Bedmas tells us that we must now do division. So we divide 10 by 10, which gives us 1, and we have 22 plus 1, which gives us 23. So remember, each line you need to check for brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction until you are completed with all your working out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.